I know fellow psychotherapists who have stopped participating in events and activities they enjoy because they do not want to run into their clients. I have also heard stories from peer workers in social services organizations who are basically doing the same thing, limiting where they socialize because they do not want to run into their peers who might become their clients as a result of the work they're doing. Hi, I'm Dr. Darlene Hall. I am a psychologist and principal owner of Intersections Consulting. These issues that I just mentioned have to do with what I call small community issues, ethical dilemmas which are extremely important and relevant for those of us who live in, work with, and are of the communities we serve in mental health and social services organizations. As a Black lesbian psychologist who has worked in my various communities for over 2 decades, I am intimately familiar with the challenges of small communities, and yet have found that the formal trainings I have received on ethics and boundaries do not adequately address them, particularly for those of us who are LGBTQ, people of color, LGBTQs of color, people with disabilities, and those of us who are members of kink, polyamorous, and certain spiritual communities while living in urban environments. Through Intersections Consulting, I provide trainings, workshops, and coaching on small community issues, with the focus on defining multiple roles and multiple relationships within sociocultural contexts, in examining their impact on small communities, understanding the psychological, social, ethical, and clinical implications of the choices providers might make as a result of these small community issues, and give providers an ethical decision-making process that is socioculturally grounded, which helps them to make choices that are not only upholding client confidentiality and doing less harm, but also help providers to live as authentic of lives as possible. Navigating small community issues is never easy. So to talk further about how Intersections Consulting can work with your staff around small community issues, please send me an email at intersectionsconsulting@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.